Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add friends on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, let's see how to add friends from server. So I'm going to add a public server, and so I want to add this contact to my friend. So I'm right clicking above this ID and then click on profile and click on send friend request. So here you can see friend request has been sent. Now let's see how to add friend by name. First click on home, then click on friends and click on add friend, and now here you have to enter the friend username and click on send friend request, and here you can see your friend request has been sent. So this was how we can add friend on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.